Hi, welcome to PhDizzle, and I'm your host Alice Cheng, and today we're interviewing Dr. Mayra Cruz, who got her bachelor's and PhD in immunology, bachelor's from University of Alberta, and her PhD from University of Toronto in Canada. So what is immunology?
So immunology is the system, the study of the immune system, and the immune system is the portion of your body, the cells that allow you to fight disease. This is from bacteria, viruses, or even your own cells like tumor cells.
So what specific part of the immune system did you study?
So I studied how cells from the immune system communicate. So in order for your immune system to function properly, there's some cells that have to pick up or take those viruses and bacteria and tell to other cells that these things are dangerous and we should fight them.
It sounds like there's like a police department or some sort of like safety squad in your body keeping you healthy.
Yeah. So how that communication works starts to develop all the way from when the cells start growing. So I studied how that communication allows the cells to develop and then to eventually fight disease.
So it's like a really complicated process.
It is, yes. There's a lot of things that have to come together, and the functioning of one particular thing can lead to autoimmune diseases, which you don't want, or it allows you to maybe not fight diseases very well.
What type of work do you do now?
So now I decided to continue on research, and I am doing a postdoc in an industrial setting. I really like that because it allows you to see how your basic understanding of how things work and how the cells work allows companies to create drugs and create medicines for the general public. And so this application part is really interesting. At the same time, I'm in an environment that allows me to publish my work and do a lot of really fundamental studies as well, which I really like in order to stay in touch with science.
Okay.
Yeah.
And you're doing an industrial postdoc. That's really interesting. Is it common that people go into industry versus doing a postdoc in academia?
So I think most postdocs are in academia, but it's starting to become more and more common for companies to have postdocs that allows them to draw out of good talent from different universities and also allows the new graduates to gain some experience in applying their research to generate new solutions for the health industry.
So what's next for you? Do you want to stay in industry, or it sounds like you could kind of do both, academia or industry? What are you thinking?
So at the moment, my goal is to go back to academia and hopefully apply some of the things that I learned in my own laboratory. But we'll see where the path goes.
So Mayra, what do you like to do on your weekend or downtime?
I really like to do art. So I like painting, drawing, and photography.
Wow.
I think in a lot of ways art is very similar to science. If you have an art project, you have to work on it, you have to be creative, you have to think about new ways where you can show something that you want to in a painting or in a picture. And it's the same thing with science. So when you're working on your project, you always try to find new ways to fill in the story or fill in details.
And so you like to make art. Do you also like to look at art?
Absolutely, yes. I really like coming to museums like MoMA here. It's really nice, especially on the weekends, to just stroll around a little bit.
What other stuff do you like doing?
So I really like scuba diving. I think it's really interesting to go and explore places that you've never seen before.
How did you get into scuba diving?
I'm from Cuba, and I've always wanted to go scuba diving since I was little. So as soon as I got the chance to, I got my training and I did it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Have you been to, do you have a favorite place that you've been scuba diving at?
Probably the coolest one was Australia in the Great Barrier Reef, just because you got a lot of freedom actually to explore. I did that for 2 days and it was amazing.
Wow, that sounds amazing. PhDizzle.
Having fun with smart people that do cool things.